Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today, do I ever have a challenge for you? We have a Milwaukee 2704 hammer drill, and it is going to be using an M18 red lithium high output XC 6.0 amp hour battery versus the DeWalt DCD 996 hammer drill. It's going to be using a 1.7 amp hour POWERSTACK battery. This is a new battery that is coming out just in a few weeks by DeWalt. The two hammer drills are quite similar in capability. There may be slight differences, but they're quite similar. But the big difference will be in the batteries. We got the 6.0 amp hour battery on the Milwaukee. We've got the 1.7 amp hour battery on the DeWalt. I have no idea who's going to win, but I was curious, and maybe you're curious too. So everyone grab their popcorn, make bets if you like, and let's see what happens. Remember, I don't have a horse in the race. I'm just doing the test. The Milwaukee battery weighs 2 pounds, 6.55 ounces, and the new DeWalt POWERSTACK weighs 10.95 ounces. Both batteries are fully charged. Both of the drills are on their drill setting, and both are set at their highest speed. Both drills will be using a new 6-inch by 3/4 inch auger bit. The contest will be to drill 4 holes all the way through 4x6 material. And these holes are going to need to be accurate. They will have to be drilled right on their marks, all 4 holes, all the way through the 4x6. And the first one to finish and pull his drill bit out of that last hole is the winner. On your marks, get set, go! Milwaukee takes the early lead, and he's done with the first hole first. He's on the second hole now, and here comes POWERSTACK on the second hole. Here's Milwaukee done with that second hole. He puts the tip of the bit right on that third mark. Accuracy counts. And here is Milwaukee done with the third hole first. DeWalt trying to catch up, but Milwaukee's on the fourth hole, and he pulls out. Milwaukee wins! Milwaukee wins! What a great contest. The smaller, lighter DeWalt POWERSTACK performed admirably, but the Milwaukee, with its greater size and excellent drilling capability, won the day. Put your comments in the comment section below and let me know what you think of this contest. Let me know what you think of this new 1.7 amp hour POWERSTACK technology. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.